Hi, this is Claire Willis from the Chicago-Kent College of Law Library, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of using the right terms to search. Oftentimes when we think about searching, we think that these sophisticated algorithms, they're good enough to pick up on synonyms, but knowing the correct terms of art, the terms that a judge or an attorney or a legislator would use to describe something, are still very important to your search. So here I am on Westlaw. I'm going to go into Illinois state cases. Now in our particular fact scenario that we'll work with here, we have a husband who was told to pay money to his wife after they were divorced, and he wants to stop paying money to his wife because she is living with another man. So how you might describe that if you were just speaking colloquially would just to say, terminate or end maintenance, um, or no, terminate alimony, because that's usually what we call payments made to an ex-spouse, post-divorce, living with a roommate, perhaps. And I'm showing this in natural language because obviously terms and connectors would treat it differently. So check out how old these cases are. So this is from 1980. This is from 1979. That's from 1994. Now I want you to kind of keep that in mind and compare it to what happens when I change the terms. So in Illinois, it's not actually called alimony, it's called maintenance. And it's not actually called divorce, it's technically dissolution of marriage. And living with a roommate isn't quite how judges refer to it. All the cases in the statute refer to cohabitation as being the particular term of art. So when I change that up, we see that already, although I'm describing the exact same thing, for Illinois cases, I have a case from 2006, I have a case from 2007, another one from 2000, and I've got here on the side, even my secondary sources, my related documents have gotten better. Termination of spousal maintenance upon death, remarriage, or resident continuous conjugal cohabitation. So we're getting at the importance of using those terms of art. Now, had I gone into those earlier cases, those 70s cases, I might have perhaps looked at the key numbers or looked at the KeyCite report and seen what they'd cited, but I'd be just that much further away from the more recent cases. So it pays to know what the terms of art are. Now, if you're starting with a project, how are you going to figure out what the terms of art are? This is an excellent place for secondary sources. Secondary sources are going to describe your particular area of law and use those terms of art so that when you search, you get more relevant results as we've seen here. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Claire Willis. I'm from the Chicago-Kent College of Law Library.